Hi, my name is Joe, and welcome to Medical Azul. Recently, I made 3 videos going over each absorbency level of incontinence underpads. However, in this video, I'm going to give you a side-by-side comparison and demonstration. This will give you a better visualization and comparison of each underpad. Also, this will allow you to make better decisions based on the patient profile you or a loved one fit. You ready? Let's go. Now that we have the fluid ready to demo, and the underpads open, just wanted to let you know which ones are which. To your left is we have the ultra absorbency underpad. To the right, we have light absorbency and moderate and regular absorbency. Okay, now we're going to get the fluid and we're going to pour it out. Yeah, just like that. Boom. Don't be shy. Now I'm going to pour it on the light absorbency. Look at the splash. Look at the splash. Now I'm going to put on. All right. Ultra absorbency. You notice the whiteness right here? That's the polymers working. All right, it's ultra absorbent polymers will pull away the fluid away from the body, which really protects the skin and protects it from irritation and doesn't damage any of the skin. I would recommend these for patients who are bedridden and require a caregiver. These are the moderate absorbency. Look at the fluid. It's far more spread out. It's not as concentrated, and that's okay. I would recommend these for patients who are medium to incontinent and who are pretty independent and don't require a caregiver, because these don't have the high-end polymers that pull away the fluid away from the body. And now we have the light absorbency. It's okay. Look at the fluid all over the place. That's fine. However, I wouldn't recommend this for somebody who's bedridden or highly incontinent because the fluid goes everywhere. I would recommend this for like general procedures and wound care. Hey, thanks for watching this video. You can find all these products at medicalazul.com, AZUL. Also, if you like this video, please press the like button. Also, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching this, and ciao.